Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever felt frustrated with uneven skin texture, dullness, or those fine lines that seem to appear overnight, you're not alone. Today we're exploring the Radiant Renewal Skincare Trio by the Balm, a three-piece set designed to elevate your skincare routine with a face mask, a sleep-tight night cream, and a complexion serum. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a beauty tip that could transform your skin. The trio comes in elegantly sized 1-ounce containers, perfect for trial or travel. Each product is formulated with peptides and antioxidants, aiming to improve skin texture, boost collagen production, and promote a more youthful, radiant appearance. The face mask is intended to refresh and clarify, the night cream nourishes and hydrates while you sleep, and the serum targets uneven tone and supports overall skin vitality. I've incorporated this trio into my evening routine over the past few weeks, and the process is straightforward. The mask has a creamy yet light consistency that spreads easily and rinses off without leaving any residue. The serum absorbs quickly, layering beautifully under the night cream, which feels rich but never greasy. Over time, I noticed my skin appearing smoother, more supple, and with a subtle radiance that felt natural rather than artificially brightened. One small drawback is that results are gradual. You won't see a dramatic change after one use, but consistency really pays off here. What I love is how gentle yet effective the formulations feel. The peptides and antioxidants are doing their job without causing irritation, even on sensitive areas. Packaging is sturdy and travel-friendly, though I would prefer a pump for the serum for cleaner, more hygienic dispensing. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of value for money, this trio is fairly priced considering the quality of ingredients and the multi-product approach for a complete evening routine. While you could find individual products at a lower price, having the mask, serum, and cream together in one cohesive set is convenient and efficient, especially for someone looking to streamline their skincare regimen. Compared to other anti-aging kits, the Balm's trio stands out for its balanced, gentle formulations rather than gimmicky claims. Overall, the build quality of the packaging is solid, the textures feel luxurious, and with regular use, the benefits are noticeable. For those looking for a gentle, peptide-rich night routine that addresses texture and promotes a healthy glow, this trio is a strong contender. It's best suited for women looking to start anti-aging prevention or to support their existing routine with effective science-backed ingredients. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Radiant Renewal Skincare Trio, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. You can find the link to purchase in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.